Thank you for joining us. Today, we are going to uncover the surprising health perks of mint leaves. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the top 12 reasons to incorporate these leafy wonders into your life. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for enlightenment and educational purposes. While mint leaves offer fantastic health benefits, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any existing health conditions or concerns. Reason 1. Natural decongestant. Feeling stuffy? Mint leaves act as a natural decongestant. Inhaling their refreshing scent can clear your nasal passages, offering relief from congestion due to colds or allergies. Boil a handful of leaves, inhale the steam, and experience a DIY minty vapor rub effect to clear your nasal passages. Reason 2. Breath fresheners. Are you tired of battling bad breath? Mint leaves are here to rescue you. Chewing on a few leaves can instantly freshen your breath and leave you with a cool sensation. Make your own minty mouthwash by steeping leaves in warm water. It's a natural solution that fights bacteria, keeping your breath fresh and your oral health in check. Nature's very own breath fresheners, right at your fingertips. Reason 3. Antioxidant powerhouse. Mint leaves are packed with antioxidants, a secret weapon for radiant, youthful-looking skin. Create a refreshing mint face mask by crushing the leaves and mixing them with honey. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a vibrant complexion. Reason 4. Headache relief. Next on our list, if you're plagued by headaches or migraines, mint leaves might just become your new best friend. The aroma of mint has proven to alleviate headaches and provide relief from tension. Consider using mint essential oil in a diffuser for a calming atmosphere during those pesky headache moments. Reason 5. Soothing properties of mint leaves. Sipping on a cup of warm mint tea is not just a delightful experience for your taste buds, it's a remedy for indigestion. Try crushing a handful of fresh mint leaves and steeping them in hot water to create a calming tea that can ease your stomach troubles. Reason 6. Stress relief. Mint leaves can be your natural stress busters. The calming properties of mint can help relax your mind and body. Try creating a DIY mint-infused bath by adding a handful of crushed leaves to your warm bath water. The aromatic experience can be incredibly soothing, providing a perfect escape from the daily hustle and bustle. Reason 7. Digestive aid. For centuries, mint leaves have been a go-to remedy for digestive issues. Whether it's indigestion or bloating, a comforting cup of mint tea can work wonders. Reason 8. Rich in vitamins and minerals. And the goodness doesn't stop there. Mint leaves are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A and potassium. These are crucial for maintaining healthy vision and promoting heart health. Add a handful to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Reason 9. Weight management. Now, for those of you looking to shed a few pounds, mint leaves have got your back. The natural aroma of mint has been shown to suppress appetite and reduce cravings. Create a refreshing mint-infused water to sip throughout the day, helping to curb your appetite naturally. A delicious and guilt-free way to manage your weight. Reason 10. Natural energy boost. Mint leaves can be your secret weapon for a natural energy boost. A whiff of mint can invigorate your senses, enhance focus, and improve cognitive function. Carry a small container of dried mint leaves and take a whiff whenever you need an invigorating pick-me-up. Say goodbye to that mid-afternoon slump. Reason 11. Culinary benefit. Turn your meals into a visual and flavorful masterpiece with mint leaves as a vibrant herbaceous garnish. Sprinkle chopped mint over salads, pasta dishes, or grilled meats for a burst of freshness and color. Mint also pairs exceptionally well with desserts, cakes, ice creams, or fruit salads. Reason 12. Mixology marvel. But wait, there's more minty goodness, this time your favorite cocktails. Mint leaves can add a refreshing and aromatic twist to your mixed drinks, making your cocktail experience even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information not only helpful but also inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness content.